Guys, I'm on the Euro USD 15-minute time frame and I've just entered a trade. The candle was so before, and I saw that price had moved below the cloud. There was a red line moving downwards, one of my signals, and I set my stop loss up here just above the closest resistance line, and I've set my take profit just above the next pivot point down here for a 1-to-1 trade. I'm now expecting price to move downwards, and I'm already in $50 profit in this trade. Let's just keep monitoring it for a while. Alright, I'm back and I can see that price did move down. It nearly touched my target and then reversed. I see that circumstances have changed, and although I'm still in good profit here, I'm going to get out of this trade now. Okay, and I've closed the trade. We can see that the trade went well. I'm still happy with that, and we can see I've made well over $500 profit on this trade, and it didn't take long at all to play out, just a few hours. So very happy with that. Thanks for watching, guys.